Hey friends, welcome back to Quick Personal Finance Bites. In my earlier video, we discussed insurance policies as a protection to the family in case the sole earner of the family is no more. Now let me talk today about term life insurance. Now term life insurance offers large cover for a smaller premium. Treat it like an expense just like Mediclaim or car insurance, that is pay and forget. Now, premium of term insurance is very low in comparison to traditional life insurance policies. Premium amount saved can be invested in pure form of investments and you can earn better returns. Now, this way you can get a larger life cover and better returns. It's a combination of term life cover plus pure investments. Now, let me give you a very simple example. Traditional policy can cost a premium of rupees 50,000. Now versus that, term life cover for 5,000 plus pure investment left of rupees 45,000. Now this for getting the same level of life insurance and better growth in investments. Now let me give you some understanding about traditional policies. You may have heard about different types of traditional policies such as endowment, money back plan, whole life, etc. Now these plans may have different names and features, but trust me guys, the end result is the same in all these policies. What is that? That is very low returns and very low life cover. Life cover in such policies is unable to cover a family's need in case of death of the earning member. Further, maturity value is so low because of lower returns and not even beating the inflation of the country. Now, you may have heard about different benefits in the policies plans offered, such as revisionary bonus, interim bonus, terminal bonus, guaranteed additions, loyalty bonus, money back benefits, survival benefits, and so on. Now, there are many. There may be different benefits which are not understood by common man, but it gives a very good feeling. Trust me, friends, whatever is the name of the benefits, these policies can deliver returns of 5 to 6% per annum, which cannot help meet your goals. But yes, term life cover definitely makes sense as it protects our family. Now, are you wondering how come there is such a low rate of return from these policies? I'm saying that. Why not? Think the other way around. These policies do not invest in equity and equity rated options. Now they invest in debt oriented instruments. Then how come they will deliver higher returns? Please think. So friends, focus on your life goals by creating a financial plan and protect all those goals, liabilities and your future earning capabilities with the help of term life insurance. Avoid such costly financial mistakes which are understood only in long run. Please act on it and share it with your friends and families. See you soon in my next video. Keep learning, keep simplifying. Thank you.